everybody, dear SAFE community. Today we are talking or showing you how the SAFE application, web application is working. We're going through step by step and show you how you can use the SAFE application and how you can help us to make the world more safe. So first of all, we dig a little bit into our use case and we check out how the SAFE application is helping to make the world a more safe place. So we can check here the numbers a little bit. We have 3 million baggages basically mishandled by US airlines in 2019. So imagine you be one of the 3 million people who don't know where their luggage basically ended up. For this, we have here the SAFE sticker. I will tell you a little bit more later on about the SAFE sticker, how this product basically is helping you restoring lost items. Then we go through what are basically the use case when it comes to stolen items. We have here 2 million bikes stolen each year in the United States. This is only the United States. Globally, the number, of course, is much higher. And if you take a look at a bike like this, which costs easily around $1,000, it's something what is not really nice when you basically are confronted with that problem. We show you as well how we solve this problem with making serial numbers identifiable. And then we have here car thieves cause $1 billion in economic damage each year, as well a number which is crazy. 2019, as example, there disappeared 33,000 cars. What is an unbelievable number. And if you want to know more about this stuff, just read here the articles on our safe.medium.com page. Now I jump into the SAFE app. We have here our SAFE web application under www.safe.org. And if you want to know more, or if you want to use SAFE on your Android, here on the Google Play Store, just type in SAFE. You can find the Android application. And for iOS, we have here SAFE. Just type in SAFE and you will find it as well. So let's dive in a little bit deeper. Here you have our search engine, safe.org. Here you can search after serial numbers. So if you have an item here, you can check it up. I have here a Hublot Big Bang already prepared as a stolen item. You can basically find with the serial number here items. We will do a big Google update. This means if you search for this in Google, right now it shows you nothing, but in the future you will find here a page where it will say Hublot Big Bang, take care, emergency, this watch is stolen. Okay, so let's dive into now how the SAFE application is exactly working. Here on the right corner, you have a button where it says access the SAFE application. Okay, here basically one click and you are in the tool. You are basically in the process already of adding your items. I sign out real quick to show you what is the sign up process. Here you have the sign in platform where if you already are registered, just type in your email and password and you will be in, or use the social logins. And as well, you can do a sign up here through the phone number of you. So you can provide the pre-dial of your country, enter the phone number, you will receive basically a verification and are ready to sign up. So on the other hand, we have the Facebook and Google login. So basically just if you have a Google account, just press here the Google login and choose the account you wish to log in, choose it, boom, and you are set, you are already in. You can now go here to Access App, and here you have all your items. So let me show you quick how you add your items. What can be added in the SAFE system and how does it work exactly? So let's start quick with something what I think all of us are already owning. A phone, as example. You can add everything here what has a value above $100 and has a serial number to identify it. So phone, laptop, sport equipment like a snowboard, golf tools, whatever it is, to jewelry, to working tools, as example, maybe you have a company which is in, I don't know, which is in constructions, as example, then you maybe have expensive tools. Maybe you have a beauty store where you have expensive tools. Maybe you own a hospital. It doesn't matter. Everything what has a serial number, what can be tracked through the serial number can be added here. To do that, just press here the add button and check out the different categories. You can see here, we have a lot of different categories: books, music, and movies. Maybe you have collectibles here, what you want to save, business, industrial. So here, from agriculture to basically printing to retail service, you can store everything here, okay? Really everything what has a serial number. Collectibles, art, maybe you're an art collector, maybe you have some expensive Pokemon cards which are verified, which has a unique number to it. So here you can basically everything store in our system. Electronics, this is what we do now. I show you how you save your phone, okay? Then we have fashion for the sneakerheads, people who have their sneakers or want to store their expensive sneakers. Maybe, I don't know, you have some Louboutin sneakers, maybe you have some expensive Nike sneakers. There are sneakers which cost up to $50,000. Everything can be protected here. Health and beauty, maybe you have some beauty equipment, what you want to store here. Home and garden, maybe you have expensive tools here. Jewelry and watches, if you are a watch collector, you can protect your watches here, your Audemars Piguet, your, I don't know, whatever it is, your Rolex, your Patek Philippe, your Tag Heuer, everything can be protected here in our system. Whatever you like, all is possible, okay? So back to the topic, categories. Let's go to electronics and to save my phone. I go on to cell phones. And here, cell phones and smartphones. Okay, so title. Let's check it out quick. I have, by the way, as well, my save sticker here in place. I will show you in a little or in a few how this is working out. But now, first of all, you have to figure out what is the serial number of your phone. For this, you just go to the Apple settings and go under General, okay? In General, you have one tab, which is About. And there you have your serial number. So you type in here, as example, a title I would use, which is displayed for me. I would say now iPhone, I don't know, I have now the 11 Pro Max, okay, where I do the example with. And the serial number will be something like starting with FK and then basically some numbers and letters. And then description I would add here, maybe my email number, which is as well a tool to identify the phone. And here I would add some basically the email number, some additional information, like as example, iPhone 11 Pro Max, 512 gigabyte, bought in XYZ. So here you have different options to provide. The more, the better, because it will help to search the item and make it more identifiable, better identifiable. So, and then if I own this item, I enter it here as an active item. Oh, okay, you can see it here. It's saved now in the database. If this gets stolen now, I just press here on this button and basically change the status as lost or stolen in this case and submit it. Now it's identifiable on the web as a stolen item. Okay, so if somebody breaks in to your house, steals your stuff, then you can basically, in a few seconds, make everything identifiable as stolen. So just go here and basically add all your tools as stolen. It just takes a few seconds and it goes very fast, okay? So let's say somebody took now my Canon Alpha 6400. So I just, or basically the person who will steal it has now this camera with it, and he will try very soon to sell it, or maybe he ends up in police control, in a basically in a custom control. So basically, or a border control. So basically, the law enforcement can now on Google or a potential buyer, or I have to say it like this on Google, the next update will happen already too advanced here, or a few steps ahead. In Google, you will find it very soon. But now, for instance, here in the search engine, if I type in this number, you can see here Canon Alpha is marked as stolen. So the police could now basically get in touch with you, or as well, if somebody gets this product offered, the Canon Alpha of me, he could easily get in touch with you and basically shoot me a message. Hey, dear Canon owner. So like this could the message look like. I found your item on eBay. Check out this link and inform the police. So, and the link would be then www.ebay.com/maybe your serial number or whatever it is. And this message can be sent here, and you will find the message then basically here in the chat. So you can see it here. I made before a German example. So here we have now the English one. Okay, dear Canon user, this will pop up in your mail basically. Okay, that's how this is working, how you can get your stuff back in a very simple, very easy way. So back to the topic. You can basically report it here. In the future, it will be possible to find the item here. Now it's not shown, of course, but in the future, this number will be shown here in Google. What is a big thing, okay? So basically people who don't know safe, they just have to type in a serial number here, boom, and you will find the item. What is really a big thing, okay? Sorry, I had to drink quick something. So back to the topic. So this is one function. What you can do as well, you can see here, this is the user ID, the safe ID of you. And if you have some, from somebody else a safe ID, you can basically, let's say this item is back in my possession, okay? Or all these items are back in my possession. What I basically can do now is I can transfer an item. So let's say I want to sell my Hublot Big Bang, okay? So this is this item here. Here it is. And then I can basically just press here transfer and transfer it digitally. I can choose here which item do I want to transfer. It's my Hublot as example. Submit, boom. And the I cannot do it not now because this is of course my own safe. Yeah, basically my own safe. But if I have now another ID, I could easily transfer it to somebody else, and it will show up here in the system. Okay. And here we have another tool. Let's go back to safe.org. We have a real-time transaction tracker, basically. So you can see here, take some time to load. You can see here the transactions which are happening in real time. This is the item. This is the user. This is basically to another user. And yeah, you can check out here all the different transactions which are happening in the backend in real time. And you can see, as example here on the 6th October, a new item was added. This was the item. This is the wallet that was added. So you can basically track everything and see everything here in real time. Then we have something else I want to show you. It's the safe sticker. You can find it on a shop.safe.org. This product looks like this. For the safe sticker, I will do a separate explainer how basically the safe application on iOS and Android is working out, because you need the two applications for it. But to show you, this is a sticker. It costs $29.90. It's available everywhere, basically in the world. It's international shipping. Depending on the country you live, it can take a little bit longer, or it's faster to send it to you. But usually we send the stickers out within 24 hours after ordering. So back to the topic quick. 3 stickers are $29.90. You can basically protect your stuff. I was saying at the start, there is a use case. Let's go back quick to it. There is one use case where we have basically mishandled luggage. And this is a tool where you can get items back. It's as well a preventive tool, because if a criminal sees those stickers on your stuff, he knows, okay, this stuff is saved in a global database, okay? And if we check this out, this is how the item is looking like. And you basically can add it to all the items. It's connected directly to the serial number. So even if a thief takes it down, it doesn't help because the serial number is still in the system. And that's basically a tool how you can be prevented from theft, how you as well can get your items back if you lose something, because the person can scan this or the sticker very simply and basically connect with you through the application. This is how it is working here. Okay. Good. I think we covered pretty everything. If you have more questions, I will link down below our Telegram, our Telegram group. You can directly get in touch with us there. Shoot us a message if you have questions in the Safe Navigator. You can open a support ticket if you have questions on Telegram. And basically get in touch with us. We are very happy to have you here on board to support us with all the products we're offering. And I'm looking forward to hear more from you. I hope we hear us very soon in a personal Zoom meeting. And I'm very happy to have you on board. If you have questions, just shoot it out to us in our in our Telegram channel. We hear us very soon. I'm very happy to have you here. Peace out. Stay tuned. Stay safe. And I hope we see you soon.